Okay, so here we've got the sentence builder. The sentence starts obviously here and you just work your way across and you can create sentences. It categorizes the language for you, sentence starter, modal verb, and it gives you a structure to make sure that you create complex and clear sentences. All right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to read out 6 sentences in Spanish and you're going to write down what I've said in English. You can use the screen to help you, although you should know a lot of these now from having learnt them on the Quizlet. So try for an extra challenge not to use the screen. All right, here we go. Number 1. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe dormir 8 horas, pero no se debe ser perezoso. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe dormir 8 horas, pero no se debe ser perezoso. Bolígrafo verde, green pen please, or different color pen. Let's mark it. That was, in order to lead a healthy life, you must sleep 8 hours, but you must not be lazy. 1 mark for sleep 8 hours and another for must not be lazy. But you need to have the whole sentence written down. Get used to the structure. Change back to your normal pen. Número 2. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe pasar tiempo con amigos, pero no se debe mirar pantallas demasiado. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe pasar tiempo con amigos, pero no se debe mirar pantallas demasiado. Of course, you could pause the video if you need longer to write. Bolígrafo verde, green pen. In order to lead a healthy life, you must spend time with friends, 1 mark, but you must not stare or look at screens too long, 2nd mark. Change back to your normal pen, número 3. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe beber agua, pero no se debe comer comida basura. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe beber agua, pero no se debe comer comida basura. Bolígrafo verde. In order to lead a healthy life, you must drink water, 1, but you must not eat junk food, 2. Número 4. Back to your normal pen. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe caminar, pero no se debe fumar. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe caminar, pero no se debe fumar. Bolígrafo verde. In order to lead a healthy life, you must walk, 1 mark, but you must not smoke, 2 marks. Número 5. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe hacer deporte, pero no se debe emborracharse. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe hacer deporte, pero no se debe emborracharse. Bolígrafo verde. In order to lead a healthy life, you must do sport, 1, but you must not get drunk, 2 marks. Finalmente, número 6. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe correr, pero no se debe tomar drogas. Repito. Para llevar una vida sana, se debe correr. Pero no se debe tomar drogas. Polígrafo verde. In order to lead a healthy life, you must run, 1 mark, but you must not take drugs. 2 mark.